The external network interface. Your external network homepage is divided into multiple sections. The sections are My Programs, Shortcuts, Recent Files, Personal Info, Announcements, Customer Service. My Programs is a list of available software applications. Because every business uses different software and individual users need access to different applications, this list is customizable. Users run the programs that have been specifically assigned to them by clicking the appropriate icon. Shortcuts displays links to commonly used files and websites. Company-wide shortcuts can be created by a manager, and/or individual users have the option of creating links that are visible only to them. Recent Files is a list of files, such as documents and spreadsheets, that were most recently opened by the user. Personal Info displays information from your email and calendaring application, how many new messages you have, today's tasks, this week's schedule, and so on. Announcements allows you to post messages for everyone in your organization to see, such as the meeting schedules, holiday notices, etc. Customer Service is for messages from us, announcements, new features, service information, and so on. This section also contains some miscellaneous functions, administrative features, a download area used for support, and a company contacts window. The top of the page displays your company's logo, a link to log out of the system, and a Request Support button. For assistance at any time, users can either call the external IT support line or click the Request Support button. Clicking the button brings up a form where the user will describe the question or problem. The request is sent to the next available support person who returns the call as quickly as possible. Applications. The set of applications that a business runs is the most important aspect of any computer system. The list of programs is determined by you. We can host practically any application. If it's mainstream, then we probably have it already. If it's something out of the ordinary, we install and set it up free of charge. And if you want to implement something custom, we have an entire department dedicated to working with clients and developing the solutions they request. Custom software from scratch, integration work, new features, and so on. Once an icon is clicked, the program opens up. The operation is so seamless and transparent that it's almost impossible to tell that the program is not running on the local computer. The program is running from our managed data center and being delivered through the internet. Any application can be run from any computer that's connected to the internet. It has nothing to do with anything loaded onto the user's computer. Speed, with which many people are concerned, is actually one of our strengths. Your software will run as fast, if not faster, than if it were running locally. Email. For email, most clients use Microsoft Outlook. Click the icon and the full Windows version of Outlook opens. Write email, share calendars, access contact list, create custom forms, sync with your Palm Pilot, and so on. Every user in your organization, regardless of their physical location, is under the same virtual roof as soon as they click an icon. Productivity software. Most users prefer Microsoft Office. We have all versions of Office, and we do offer alternatives. The programs, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, and the rest are available at all times and are guaranteed to operate correctly from anywhere. As users create files, they are saved to the hosted file system. The details are discussed in the next section, but the goal is to deliver the ideal solution. Your applications and data secure at all times, guaranteed to work, and accessible from anywhere, anytime. This is why clients prefer to run all of their applications with external IT, so everything is centrally managed, guaranteed, and accessible. Choosing software. There's an endless list of software available for small and medium-sized businesses. We don't sell software, we sell results. Whatever software is best suited to your business's needs is what we'll deliver. For example, we support multiple accounting applications such as QuickBooks, Peachtree, BusinessWorks, Great Plains, and Solomon. Whichever you run currently or would like to upgrade to is available. We even have the expertise to help you choose. The same is true for CRM, customer relationship management software, such as ACT, Maximizer, Goldmine, or Sales Logics. No matter what you run today or decide to use tomorrow, we're ready. The file system. Data is the heart of any business. That's why external IT provides each client with a private, secure data storage area. Just as you would have on a local network server, there are shared folders, public and private areas, file permissions, and so on. When users work with applications on the external network, the data files that they'll need are stored on the hosted file system. As files are opened and saved, users will see the following structure. My Documents. This folder is within each user's personal area. No one else has access to it. Favorites. This is where each user can set up frequently used folders for easy access. Public. This is the central file storage area for the company. All users have access to this directory. Most companies use this area to store the majority of their data. By default, everyone has full access. However, it is possible to explicitly grant or deny certain users access to specific subfolders within the public area. Personal. This is each user's private area. No one else can access files stored here. By default, the My Documents folder is here. There is also a Windows folder that is used by the system. Users are free to create additional folders as they wish. Departments. Each department that's set up within the company has a dedicated folder. Only members of that department have access to the associated folder. For example, only members of the sales department can access the contents of the sales department folder. Our goal is to provide a logical and secure file system for your company's data. By default, each client uses the structure we just described. However, it's entirely flexible and can be customized to the needs of any organization.